After a conversation with a good friend of mine yesterday, I realized how often that we as designers forget that the shroud on our spotlights has more to do with the beam spread, with the light output, than the actual lamp itself. So I did a little test last night. And the first photograph that I took that we're looking at now has no shroud on the fixture. Okay, so I took the shroud completely off. We're looking at a 7 watt, 100-degree New Brilliance MR16 Swaptic lamp. So you see that true beam spread, nice and wide. It looks great. However, in the second photograph that you're looking at now, I put one of these hoods on it with a longer shroud. It's a flat lens and the lamp is all the way up to the lens. However, the shroud on it cut it down to 30, 40 degrees max. So that was interesting to see. And then finally, in the third picture, the one you're looking at now, I used a much shorter shroud with a convex lens or a bubble lens. And now you can see I get much closer to that 100-degree beam spread. I'm still not there, but it shows the drastic difference between the lamp that you're using and the shroud hood that you're using. What's also important to note is that that's a 7 watt, 100-degree. What's happening is once I put that hood on, a lot of that light from the 100-degree is getting gobbled up inside that hood. Okay, so I'm not getting a full typical 7 watt output or 700 lumen output on this column because 60 degrees of that is getting gobbled up inside this dark hood. It's not like this is white reflective in here. So that's another factor too. So when I use a 30-degree lamp like this photograph, now I get real powerful. You see the huge difference between the amount of light, even though it's the same 7 watt lamp, the huge difference between the amount of light that is at the bottom versus at the top of this fireplace. So that's something to remember, something to play around with. I'm just surprised that kind of more people don't talk about this when going through shroud options. So I hope that's information that helps all of you.